The TC2 and TC5x are part of Zebra's leading enterprise Android mobile touch computer lineup. These devices feature a balanced design by Zebra's award-winning ergonomic experts, offering an ideal mix of features, affordability, and accessibility. They're versatile tools for tasks across retail, transport, logistics, warehousing, manufacturing, and field operations. Let's explore 5 key differences to help you choose the best device for your needs. While all Zebra TC devices are rugged, the TC5 boasts a higher drop and tumble specification compared to the TC2. This makes the TC5 more suitable for demanding environments, providing peace of mind with reduced downtime risks. Zebra's TC5 offers longer product and service life cycles, ensuring the Android OS stays up to date and repairable through a Zebra OneCare contract. It also has extended support post-sale compared to the TC2, maximising your return on investment. The TC5 series enhances enterprise data capture capabilities with options unavailable on the TC2, including diverse scan engines, high-resolution cameras, extra sensors like time of flight and integrated short-range UHF RFID. The TC5 comes equipped with Zebra DNA enterprise software, while the TC2 includes core DNA professional tools upgradable to enterprise. This suite offers powerful tools for staging, managing, and analysing and securing devices. Both models feature removable batteries for easy swapping. The TC5 goes further with higher capacity batteries and warm or hot swap options, allowing seamless battery changes without powering off the device. For more information on Zebra's mobile devices, please visit zebra.com.